Yo, what's up guys? Matt Steffanina back with another tutorial for you, and today I'm gonna be teaching you black paint, kill this love. So this is a collaboration that I did with Bailey Sock. This routine turned out amazing. I told you guys if you got it to 50,000 likes that I would do a tutorial, and you crushed it, got it there so fast. So we're gonna go through it step by step today. If you don't have me on Instagram, make sure you find me at Matt Steffanina. Post your covers, tag me, tag Epic Dance Videos. We're gonna be reposting a bunch of you guys, and I already know you're gonna kill this piece. But I will warn you, this is one of the hardest pieces I've ever done. Me and Bailey always try to push each other. Just remember, don't get frustrated with yourself if you can't get all the timing the first time through, because it is a difficult piece. I can't wait to see your videos, so let's get started now. All right guys, so you're gonna start this routine on 6, and the first thing you're gonna do is take your hands out, and your feet are just sort of stepping. I'm starting with my right leg, and you're going 6E and up. Then you're gonna go right hand, right foot, left foot, body, hands. So when we put that together slow, it goes 4, 5, 6E and right, left, body, hands. Then you step on your right, and you're gonna go through this and then pull to here. And it's kind of like you're going like through like quicksand. So a lot of resistance, pull. Now this is the hardest part of the whole dance. So I'm gonna break the arms down separately. You're gonna go right, left, turn. The feet are gonna go in, out, turn. So when we put that together, good luck, you go in, out, right, left, turn. And you're gonna hit this twice, and then you're gonna reverse this and open that left toe to here. You're gonna go here, you're gonna come in, you're gonna roll, and then you're gonna grab your left leg and pull it in like this. Now, the good news is if you sort of get it close, it kind of looks okay. So if it's not perfect, but try to get it perfect, because if you do, it really helps like your coordination and your brain, and other choreography will just seem so easy after this. So one more time, you're here, doom, da doom. It's right elbow, left, out, hit. And then when you come back, you're opening your toe, it's here. So my hands are gonna go da, and then I'm gonna go roll, and then I'm gonna grab my leg. So I'm here, I just did hit, I'm going da, roll, grab my leg, oh my God, it's hard. Then you're gonna go with your fingertips, walk down your leg. Then you're gonna push this leg back to go 6, you step. You're gonna go 7, little hit here. Then 8, little hit here. Then you're gonna go yo, and give them a little whoa. All right, from the top up to there. Like I said, this part is crazy hard. This was even a challenge for us. So don't stress if you like can't get it, but it's definitely something to keep working on and try to get those details down. You go 3, 4, 5, 6E and 7, 8E and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and a grab. 2, 3 and 4, push 5, step 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, everything from here is much easier. Boom. You're gonna roll and pull that left leg back with your elbows to go chug and chug. Then you're gonna do 2 quick swings, swing, to go around and grab. So all I'm doing here is a groove forward to go left, right, around, and then I pull this in. Then I'm gonna kick on these beats. They go da. So I'm gonna go kick, and this last one I'm gonna pull this up to go kick, ball, change. And when I put that last leg back, kick, tap, my arms come up to go hit, drop. Then from here, I'm just gonna push my waist around. You're gonna go kill this, then you're gonna bring this over and go love and set this here. So this whole new section after the crazy part, we push this here, 7, 8, 1, you go 2, 3 and a 5, 6 and 7, 8, this is 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, drop, 8, you push, whoa. Let's kill this, shoot. Then it's gonna go da 3 times or 2 times. You're gonna go da, up on your toes, da, heels go down. Then you're gonna go da, and knock that arm out. So the first one is up and down. The next one is down and hit. Then this arm is gonna bounce back and that's gonna hit your hand. So when this elbow goes out, it bounces, doom. You go left, you go right. You're gonna go both arms up and this is gonna hit down on the base. Click, that left leg comes up and it's gonna set you into a groove. So from here, click, you're gonna go scoop, knee, and I like to take my right arm and prep it kind of like with this leg because you're gonna need it to go around to help you get to here. So I'm turning on my left foot and what I'm doing is taking my leg around and then going behind my head so my hand matches my foot. Zoop. And then as soon as I set, I'm gonna grab my shirt. Now, if you don't have like a baggy shirt that you can grab, you can just do with your hand, but the shirt's kind of cool because there's a click right here and that's gonna send us into this next move. All you're doing is taking this and going boom, and your hand's gonna stay where it's at and your hip is literally gonna come to your hand. So don't think about moving your hand, think about moving your body around your hand. So it's here, ta, 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 here. And it's a lot of steps, but they're really fast. It's like 7, 80, and 1. So when you get here, as soon as your hand hits your hip, boom, it starts to come up. Then you just go elbow, head, head, and then it goes elbow around here. And it's like you're holding like a, I don't know, a scroll and you're gonna unroll it. You're gonna go like this, and you wanna see your head in this picture, in this frame right here. And then all I'm gonna do from here is pull this through and I'm gonna step onto my right. So this goes, then it's gonna go left foot first, 7, 8, 1, and 3, then 4 fast ones, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 slow, 4 fast, your arms are freestyle on that, and that's the end of the whole routine. Now, this one is really hard because the beats in this are really unique. There's this like, da, 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 that we're hitting a lot. Da, 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 goom, goom. Da, 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 doom. We hit it again here. Da, 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 da. We hit it again here. Da, 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 da. So all those fast things, if you're like, what counts are those? Don't worry too much about the counts. Go back and watch the video with the music and hear what we're dancing to, and then you'll be able to find that timing easier. Cool? So let's go from the top really slow just to put everything together, and then we'll try faster. You go 3, 4, 5, 60 and 7, 80 and 1, 2, 3 and ta ta boom, da 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 and a 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. This is 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, 7, 8. This goes boom. Let's kill this love. Ta, 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 ta. Yeah, yeah. Prep. 1, 2, 3. Turn 4, 5. Shirt 6, 7, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, freestyle, yeah. All right, guys, that's the slow version. Practice that one a few times till you feel comfortable with the moves. It's gonna get a lot faster, but that's why we learn it slow first, yeah? When you speed it up, the biggest thing is to just try to still keep the movements clean. Like especially on this beginning, you don't want it to turn into this where everything kind of gets mushed together. You wanna really try to like right, left, toom, toom. Really keep everything separate so I can hear the details when I watch you dance, yeah? Here we go, deep breath for the top, faster. 3, 4, 5, 60, 7, 80, and 1, 2, 3, and ta ta ta, boom, boom, ta 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 ta, 1, ta 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 ta, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 2, 3, and a 5, ta ta, hey, and 1, 2, d d d d d d d d d, 6, 7, hey, boom. Let's kill this. Shoo, ta 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 ta. Yay, yay, and boom. Ta ta, prep, turn and shoo. 6, d d d d d d. 1, 2, ta ta, doom ta ta, brit, ta 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 ta. 1, 3, a, shoo. And you can add whatever you want for a freestyle. Yo. Yo, good job today, you guys. This one is definitely a challenge. I wanted to do something really special also because it was a collab with Bailey. She's so amazing at hearing beats and different styles of movement. We wanted to really push ourselves and push you guys too. So hopefully you liked it. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be back with another tutorial real soon.